In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to deactivate Flexi on Palmpay. So Flexi is just like a platform that Palmpay supported, where you can buy or borrow money from the platform. And after navigating to the loan section right here, you can see Flexi also have their own page on Palmpay. You can see Flexi Cash, you can borrow up to 500,000, and you can see if you scroll down, you can get unlimited cash when you refer friend to the platform. So right here you can also see their terms and conditions, how to repay, Flexi user increase, amount increase, and also help. So for you to be able to deactivate Flexi cash in your Palmpay account, you have to make sure you have pay back the money you borrow from this platform, because if you haven't borrowed money from them, there won't be a way whereby you will want to disable or deactivate Flexi cash on your Palmpay account. So you can see they have provided a manual and some frequently asked questions about the platform. So if you have borrowed money from the app, you won't be able to block or deactivate Flexi cash, or else you pay back the money you borrowed. And Palmpay will not also allow you, because they partner together, and everything that you do, if you have money in your Palmpay account and you owe Flexi cash, the money will be deducted automatically. So you can see how they are working together. So you cannot deactivate Flexi cash when you already borrow money. So you have to pay back the money you borrowed in order to be able to disable the features inside your Palmpay account.